Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. I want to give you an example of reversal because I'm seeing it as today's expiry. So I'm also seeing the very good reversal if you see in the daily chart pattern. So there is a strong reversal. So I would like to take the intrinsic value booking and sell from the opposite side. There is a strong rejection here. If it goes down, breaks again with a strong candle, I will come back with the buy leg and the free side. But whereas if it is looking very strong rejection because it has gone again, it is taking rejection. Let me book the intrinsic value and go closer. So this is how my pf graph looking now. 2 lakh is locked, and to the upside we have 2.75 lakhs. So here we can book some intrinsic value. I will exit this 712, right? 712, and I will come closer until I find 50 rupees difference between the legs. So here we are 100, close to 100, more than 50 you can keep coming. So till this point you can come closer to the, sorry, go away from the ITM. So I am selling 5 lots for 20 lakh capital, and now you have locked 1.86 lakhs to the down. It was 2 lakhs earlier. You have given some profit to the market, whereas your profit range increase to the upside. If the reversal happens, since we have seen strong reversal, if it reverses, we will be into good profit. So this was the idea of booking intrinsic during reversal. Let me do this. Now we have the opportunity to sell from opposite sides. For more details, you can see the videos which I mentioned in the description. Yeah, please subscribe for the latest videos and click on the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.